Hi everyone, it's day 10, and today we're going to play the Pantry Survival Game. Here's how it works. You probably have enough food in your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry to feed your family for at least a week or two. It might be a little bit odd, a lot of pumpkin puree, a lot of tomato sauce. But whatever it is, plan now to skip the grocery store for a couple of weeks between now and Christmas. Tell your kids you're going to play the survival game. Make it a game. You might have some crazy breakfasts, but eat up what you have already. Just think of the investment you have in food that you're not making use of. It might be odd, but you won't starve. Now stash the money you don't spend on groceries in your Christmas money. There you go. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson, with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.